In this video, I will show you how to mute notifications on Instagram. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like so others can find it. We all know that Instagram notifications can be really distracting, so I personally also prefer to mute them, and I'm going to show you how I do it. So the first thing we're going to do is select the Settings app on our phone. Once you do, go ahead and scroll to the bottom until you see Notifications. Then what you're going to do is scroll down until you find the Instagram app. And right here at the top, you're able to turn off notifications completely. You can also edit how you receive your notifications. So for example, if you only want to receive notifications when your screen is locked, you can take off these other two options right here. That way you won't receive any banners or notifications on your control center. If you don't want to receive any sounds with your notifications, you can also disable this option. But to completely mute all notifications, what you have to do is simply disable the allow notification option right here at the top. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye.